Inside this machine shop in Claremore, a lot of innovating takes place.
We get to do cool stuff, and everything we do is a little different and challenging.
Husband and wife team Andy and Sarah Figner, both engineers, founded the automation company Rye Design in 2013.
And it's really fun to help a customer find a creative solution to their problem. Because everyone's doing something similar to everyone else, but the part they're making is different, and there's nuances and specific things that are special to their product.
And they find those solutions by manufacturing custom automation equipment and robotic integration.
All of our customers have the same problem. They can't find people. And the majority of the time they bring us in is to make the people that they have more productive, so that they can bring in people off the street and they can put them to work at a robot cell that we installed, and take that skilled person and use them elsewhere where they're needed.
Most of the time, the Figners deal with one-off creations, where a company needs a specific machine to do a specific task.
Robots are good at boring, repetitive, dangerous, dirty, uncomfortable jobs that employees don't want to do.
One client example is Muncie Power. The couple built a robot cell to help the company meet its production demand.
The owner has pushed to automate. You need to automate, you need to be more efficient. And so we were able to go in there with some robots and do some machine tending for them. So the machinist doesn't have to get covered in the oil for the parts the whole time. They can just be tending the machine cell and keep the machines running. I think it's made them more efficient.
When a client comes to Rye Design, Andy and Sarah engineer the machines and robots from start to finish. The process takes 3 to 4 months, beginning with the design phase.
So we actually model everything up in 3D CAD and design every single piece part of the entire robot cell.
Once the client signs off on it, they start the assembly.
We make some parts here. We have machines that'll make some of the pieces.
Inside their shop, they can do machining, welding, laser cutting, anything needed to build out the machines and robots.
Right now in the shop, we've got some welding cells that we're working on for a local company that's helping them complete stuff when they can't find more people to do it.
After everything is assembled, the automation is programmed and tested here.
We prove it out here, the customer can come here and see it, they understand what they're getting.
Then they take it all apart and rebuild it on site where the company needs it.
The first few days, the cell gets assembled and they get excited about it, and that's pretty rewarding.
Yeah.
They will even stay to teach the customer how to use it.
We really focus on the turnkey, so from our customer standpoint, they're certainly getting a complete package from us that we control. We understand the quality of it. We've tested everything out. So we really focus on the turnkey aspect of that.
The couple never slows down, always looking for new ways to build machines.
You put a lot of work into these, a lot of hours into these, and so every project you get to see it from just a concept and an idea to, hey, I figured a lot of stuff out, to, hey, it's actually doing what I said it was going to do, to, hey, it's making my customer really, really happy. It's helping.
While their passion is to help Oklahoma-based companies, they are starting to see their opportunities expand beyond the state.
We've got a lot of companies that we've had success with. They like what we do, and they're like, hey, could you do this in, Chicago or Coast or something?
And with their new building, they have room to take on even more projects and grow.
We work a lot. So it's nice that, especially with the new building, we have a comfortable place to be and we can be together, and it doesn't feel like we have the traditional job where one of us has to leave and go to work somewhere else for most of the time during the day, and then we only see each other at night. We get to see each other all day, which is nice.
It is. What's nice about having two people that own the company involved with things that are delivering to your customers is we both have this deep, it's got to be right. It's got to be, it's got to be just exactly what we said we were going to give to them.